Minister of Health and Indigenous Medicine Dr. Rajitha Senaratne officially assumed duties this morning. Minister Dr. Rajitha Senaratne assumed duties at the ministry premises this morning following religious observances. President Maithripala Sirisena also took part for this occasion. Dr. Rajitha Harishchandra Senaratne was born on the 29th of May 1950 and served as the Minister of Fisheries and Aquatic Resource Development in the former government. He entered Parliament representing the Kalathura district.
This is a memorable day in my political career. I served as not only as a dental surgeon but also an official of the trade union in the past 15 years. So this is not a new place for me. It's like my home. His Excellency the President is the one who appointed me into the Health Ministry. I have never heard of a president attending an event like this, but this is a new era and this is good governance.
Minister Vijaydas Rajapaksa took office as the Minister of Justice at the ministry today. Meanwhile, Deputy Minister Sujeeva Serasinga took office as the Deputy Minister of Justice this morning.
රටේ තිබෙන අනික් සෑම අමාත්‍යාංශයකටම වඩා අධිකරණ අමාත්‍යාංශය ඊටම ප්‍රධාන අමාත්‍යාංශයයි.
The Ministry of Justice is of utmost importance when compared to all the other ministries. If the rule of the country collapses, the whole country falls apart. If you look at the past, the laws of this country is at an unfortunate state. You, sir, are tasked with the responsibility to make a change. Why? Because the Chief Justice was appointed by the President and the judges were appointed by the President. I promise to enact the law without being influenced by anybody. Since I was a child, my father taught me to have principles and be straightforward. Therefore, we hope that no leader would interfere in our duties. If good governance, democracy and field of law is directed properly, we will be able to solve the problems faced in this country.
Minister of Ports and Shipping Arjuna Rantunga also assumed duties this morning. Minister Rantunga assumed duties at the ministry premises at Chaitya Road in Colombo 1.
අපි සාකච්ඡා කරන ඉදිරියේදී වෙලා තියෙන දේවල් ඒ වගේම අපි වැඩි මුදලක් ගෙවලා තියෙනවා නම් අනවශ්‍ය විදියට ඒ මුදලින් ලොකු අනවශ්‍ය වියදමක් අපි
We are holding discussion. We know that certain contractors have charged hefty sums unnecessarily. To speak of commissions, I am happy that almost all the unions in this ministry came and met me. They informed me of what was going on. In a similar manner, the chief officers came and met me. We will take legal steps to all the legal incidents which took place in the past while developing and moving forward. I think the President and the Prime Minister has never stated anywhere that punishment will not be given to wrongdoers. We will not let anybody hide files.
Minister of Media Ganta Karunatilaka took office this morning at the Media Ministry. Meanwhile, Ruwan Wijewardene took office as the State Minister of Defence.